Stop guessing what sells on eBay and hoping for profit. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ZIK Analytics to find products that's going to make you money. So we have a ZIK Analytics on the screen right now. We've got it in dark mode, right? But this is the actual website. If you wanted to check it out, in the description, you can get a free trial for $1. And if you like it, you can actually get the full program in the description for a discount. Now, when you log in, this is what it looks like, right? So it's got the CEO, it's got the expert rate over here. We've got the advanced tools, a lot shoved into one place, right? So it's nice, but there's two main super powerful tools, right? Other than the trending eBay niches that kind of shows you what's trending right now, which is very nice, like the Cubic chain necklace, the kitchen sink faucet sprayer, and some bubble mailers, right? We can kind of see what's making money right now, which is really, really nice if you want to see the trending products. But what we're doing is the product research tab. Now, this is where we can do actual product research, look at competitors, find products, do reverse analysis, all that fun stuff. And we're looking on ebay.com, United States. Last 30 days, I want to have something that's at least selling for 20 bucks on eBay. I don't know about you. How much the seller feedback is, whatever. We're kind of going to go to fixed pricing, brand new. Now we can do different types of searches here. You can see kind of my different searches right here. I'm just going to do, let's do hacking. I want to see if they have hacking tools on here. And this is what you're going to be doing. You're kind of going to come up with an idea, and then you're going to go off of that idea to find other items to sell. Now the sell-through rate right here is 60%, and that's not good. You want to try to find a product that has at least 600 or 800% or more sell-through rate, because you know that's a huge demand product. And we can also look at the items just to see if any of them are selling a lot. And it looks like they're kind of selling some different types of items here. We can see the sales data, but I'm going to go back and I'm going to do, let's do cat. So we're going to do something broad, and we're just going to type in cat, like cats. And you can see the sell-through rate right here is at 3,000%. Now, like I said, you're shooting for something that's above 600, something that's above 800 if possible. And this is well hits it. So this could be a great demand. And you can see the demand line right here. And it's going back up. And this is for, Black Friday. And now we're in the holiday season. And you can also see the market share. Who's owning this market share? Swaxbox. Cool. Anyway, we're going to scroll down. We can do drop shippers only, exclude Vero, different filters, right? But right off the bat, what do I find? I don't find cats. I find something different. And this is where the tool can potentially stand out. And this is, let's see, we're going to type in some different items. And we've got these cat cables. And the crazy thing about these cat cables is how many sales they're making. Do you see the sales? I do. 15,942 sales in, just on eBay, just up for this listing, which is completely insane. And if we go back, you can see all of the sales right here, the total amount sold. Very, very nice. And we could look into that more if we were looking into cables. The crazy thing is these cables do sell for a lot of money. And we were looking into selling this one ourselves because look, 25 sold in the past hour. I mean, it doesn't get as easy as this. Their listings crap. I'm going to be completely honest, right? It's just like these shitty pictures. I don't even know what it is. Imagine if they explained and told you what the hell the product is. You'd be making so much more, but they're still making money. Right? And they're putting Cat 6, 1,000-foot blue 1-pack. I don't know if it's to get around a policy, maybe. If it's to get around a policy, it makes sense. But they've got so many sold, 60 bucks a pop. I already looked this up on Alibaba. You can right-click, look it up on Alibaba. I believe you can get it for $15 and sell it for $60. Right? That's a good starting price. And they have some competitors here. But very, very nice to look at and see. That's one product we're off the get. And that's why you're looking at broad terms, because I bet you didn't think a cat. Well, it's not a cute cat. It's something different. But we do have the cat towers here. This is in 152 carts, right? And it's pretty bad editing at the end of the day. If they did some better editing, I think it would do better. But this editing has been a lot better. It's just the first image. Very nice, very nice. And again, you can see how in demand these products are. Now we're looking for something unique, and this is a stuffed animal of a Siamese cat. And it's in 10 carts, 1,042 sold. And then you can see the stuffed animal, which is very, very cute. Now, on top of this, we can see, okay, this seller's name is Fireheart. And what we're going to do is actually, we want to check all of their listings as well. So if we're really interested in their products and we're like, wow, this might be a good item, but let's just look at all their products because I like their listing. It's high quality. So the other listings are probably high quality. We're going to copy their name. And this is where the second tool comes in. And that's going to be the competitor research tool. So I'm going to type in, sometimes it doesn't work, by the way. Sometimes it's like, it doesn't work and it says error. That's because they don't have all of the eBay sellers in their database. So you have to message them sometimes and say, hey, add this one into the database. But this one they do have, Fireheart. And we can scroll down and we can see exactly what they're selling. They're selling stuffed everything, stuffed rats, stuffed guinea pigs. Let's see them rats. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful little rat. Otters. That's really cute. Deer. Not only that, we can see the upload date, so we can see how in demand it actually is. Like how many sales are they getting per year? Is it even that much to look at? And if it's not, then we can back out, but at least we did our due diligence as quickly as humanly possible, and then we move forward. Imagine going through all of their listings one by one. It would take so much extra time. So the benefit about this tool, it's going to be time, right? If I type in cat, the chances of you finding a cat cable that I showed you are almost zero. It's going to take you a significant amount of time to even think of that. The chances of this tool finding a profitable product that's something completely different than what I thought I was typing in was obviously very high. It was the top of page, right? So typing in those short keywords, finding different items to sell that you've never thought of, that's where ZIK Analytics comes through and giving you data-driven niches to expand to. Now, there is, again, a link in the description. I really appreciate it. We are eBay experts. If you needed help with eBay, product launching, finding the manufacturer, and making sure you're generating sales on eBay, just feel free to contact us right in the description, schedule a call or email us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of the HM Consulting Group, signing out.